Okay, now for this video, I'm going to try to get as close as I can to showing you how to install the Google Chrome extension Read and Write if you don't already have it on your computer at home. So you're going to need to open a Chrome window. So open a window in Google Chrome. And generally, you're going to see the little waffle of apps over here in the top corner. But at any rate, what you're wanting to get to is the Google Chrome Web Store. That's this thing like this. You could also probably Google the words Google Chrome Web Store and get to it there. So then when you click on that, it takes you to all the extensions that are out there for Google Chrome. And of course, you're wanting to get the Google Read&Write, which is this one that's right here. You can see it on my computer. And then I have a whole bunch of other extensions that are here in the browser. So to find it, if you go into the search box up here, and if you type in the search box just the words read, write, then that'll find it in the search. And it commonly comes up as the very top thing, or it'll be in the top view. Now, I'm not able to actually add it right now because it's already on my computer. It's going to have a button, though, if you don't have it, that says Add to Chrome, like this one right here. And then, so if you do that, then you click that button that says Add to Chrome. That'll be here next to Read/Write. And this is what it's supposed to look like, Read/Write, right here. Click that, and it'll take you through the process. So like, I'm just going to randomly click this one right here to show you what that means. It's going to give you a box that tells you what the extension would do, and then you would click Add Extension when you click the Read/Write one. And it asks you to link it to your Google account, which is the same account with your school email. And that's where you want to go with it. So it may already recognize you because you use that computer, especially if you're logged into your Google Chrome. Like, see, it has my little picture of me up here. If it has you logged into your Chrome window, then it'll automatically take you to that account. But at any rate, if you get it installed into the browser you're using, you should be able to use it. And then after that, it'll load up here with these extensions that you have, and you just look for the one that has the little Read/Write puzzle piece. So I hope that helps.